In the realm of education, traditional learning methods have long stood as the cornerstone. However, nestled within these respected techniques are hidden challenges. The struggle for full student engagement is paramount, as it fuels the motivation to delve into subjects more deeply. Furthermore, the gap between theory and practical application looms large. Theory without practice is as ineffective as a tree without roots, unable to thrive in the real world and stunting skill development. Additionally, the retention of theoretical knowledge often falters, with abstract concepts fading without tangible experiences to anchor them. These limitations not only restrict learners' potential, but also highlight the urgent need for an educational revolution. This narrative will reveal the transformative power of hands-on training, a method that makes learning vivid, accessible, and fundamentally retainable. We're on the cusp of a shift from traditional limitations to the vibrant world of interactive learning, where skills are not just taught, but experienced. As our exploration into learning innovations continues, we arrive at the transformative solution of hands-on training. This method bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and its practical application, significantly boosting skill development and knowledge retention. By interacting directly with their learning material, students and professionals gain a deeper, more intuitive understanding across various fields. Whether it's the tech workshops of Silicon Valley or healthcare simulations in top universities, hands-on training marks its impact by providing a platform where learning is lived, not just learned. Consider the nursing student, now confident in patient care after practicing on high-fidelity mannequins, or the engineer whose real-world material experience turns theoretical concepts into tangible solutions. This educational strategy nurtures adaptability, critical thinking, and resilience by treating mistakes as learning opportunities. From programming robots to conducting experiments or creating art, learners transition from passive observers to proactive creators. The forthcoming real-world success stories stand as a testament to hands-on training's role as a catalyst for innovation and excellence, emphasizing its indispensability across all fields of study. In this concluding chapter, we witness the real-world impact of hands-on training through diverse success stories that span the globe. These narratives, rich in improved skills and transformed lives, emphasize the evolution from traditional classrooms to engaging, practical learning environments. Testimonials from educators and learners resonate with a unified theme: the leap from theoretical to practical that has unmistakably uplifted skill development, engagement, and learner satisfaction. The hands-on training approach, now beyond debate, stands validated by empirical evidence and poignant personal journeys. From medical students to artists, the message rings clear: genuine skills emerge from real-world experiences. As our journey through the narrative wraps up, it's evident that each story shared and technique discussed sparks a potential within us to embark on a path of continuous exploration and growth. Hands-on training has paved this path, inviting a more interactive, immersive educational experience. It's time to embrace this method, advocate for its adoption, and watch as it reshapes the landscape of education, fostering a future where learning goes beyond mere instruction to become a lived experience.